Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix sign in to complete purchase on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to download or install any app from your app store, you might see an error which is sign in to complete the purchase. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. And then you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go to your settings app again, go to general here, go to software update, try to update your software, then go back, tab on screen time settings, go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling the restrictions, just go back, open your app store, then tab on the profile option in the top right, and here just tap on sign in with Apple account. And here if you have already signed in Apple ID with your iPhone, you can see I have already logged in my Apple ID here. So you can easily use the same ID here by tapping on this continue option, or if you want to sign in another Apple ID in your App Store, so you can select this not option here, and then you can enter your Apple ID manually. But let's say I want to select the my same Apple ID here. Just have the continue option here, and your Apple ID will be logged in until this loading has been completed. So after that, you must see the step interface here. And once you have signed in, just go back and just try to install any app which you want. So let's say I want to select this one. Just tap on this get option, and then you have to refresh yourself using your Apple ID password here. After entering your Apple ID password, just tap on this confirm option and your app will start it installing. So in this way, you can easily fix an incomplete purchase on iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.